Welcome back. In this short video, we'll provide an overview of the information page. The information page functions in the same way for projects as well as proposals. The purpose of the information page is to provide key information about the project or proposal. Your view may look different than what you see in the video based on the configuration for your organization. But it includes fundamental information about the project, the name, state, description. If your organization has a lot of text fields, you might find a lot of text to convey the information about the project. If you have a lot of fields, you also may need to scroll down. There may be hyperlinks at the bottom for which you can access. There is a print to PDF button if you want to create a PDF file of the information page. To edit the information page, click on the Edit button. This will take you into an editable view of the information page. If you need to change portfolios, this is the right place to do it. If your organization uses more than one portfolio, this is the only place to change the portfolio of the project or proposal. You can edit the project name, you can change the project state. There may be limitations on the options depending on whether or not you're an administrator or a read-write or read-only user. And then you can come in and edit any of the fields that are not grayed out. Certain fields, like the start and finish date or the project ID, are grayed out. For the hyperlinks, you can put in a display name. You would put in the URL, click Save, and that will bring up another blank row. So every time you fill in the file name and the path and click Save, it'll enter a new row, blank row, for you to add another hyperlink. To remove the hyperlink, simply click on the Remove button. When you're done editing the information page, you can click on Update Project. If you are editing multiple projects, you may want to filter on a certain category, and then you can use the navigation button to cycle through from one project to another. There you have it, an overview on the information page. For any questions, reach out to support, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.